Is it too dark? Am I too black or?
Yeah, you're too black.
All right, guys. So we're back, and we have Billis Civic. All right, guys. So today's video is something that we haven't done, but we're about to. Prepare to introduce the ultimate, super high expensive. All right, one of one. Walmart super cheap sucky tweeters. 400 whooping watts, guys. This is gonna be dangerous, guys. I think we got ourselves a great deal here. These 400 watt power handling tweeters with optional angled base, one pair. All right. The brand here is Metra. Well, let's get with the unboxing, yeah?
All right, Isaac from Rubio's Auto Care.
They're gonna stock us now. Now they're gonna come. Now they're really gonna come. They're gonna really.
Dude, we know we're supposed to return that thing, right? He's opening it like we're gonna keep it.
Well, if they convince you, we might keep them, right? Yo, what the?
Nah, you ripped the heck out of that box, dude. Is it missing the set?
Why is there a missing tray? Why is the tray empty?
Why is the tray empty?
These are like little holders. These are sticky stickers. Yo, what the? Oh, these are little bracketers. And here they are, guys. Yo! Wait. I can't split them? Here they are, guys. Oh my goodness.
So
dude, the tweeters themselves. I hear nothing broken. They smell like China.
wow.
Dude, you can see the copper. Dude,
Yo,
what?
This thing has some mega winding on there.
No
dude.
way.
That
I mean,
coil.
400 watts, dude. 400 watts?
Yeah, it smells like China.
All right, guys. Well, here it is.
Dude, they weigh nothing. The original Honda ones, dude, they weighed way more than this.
Genuine Honda do.
Look at that, dude. I mean, the size difference too. Look at that. This is so cheap. How much was this? It better not be more than $5. How much was it? All right, you gotta tell the price right away off the bat.
All right, the price of these.
You forgot already, huh?
I forgot. Here, come inside. Let's go inside. Go inside.
I'm gonna pull the receipt out.
Yo. So the price of these cheap suckies were $12.
What the?
$12. These cheap dome tweeters. A little bit pricey.
$12, dude?
A little pricey, you know.
Okay, these are coming straight from Wish.com, straight from Temu.
I think we got ourselves a deal.
I don't know, man.
All right, guys. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and install these. I don't think that they. Oh wait, no way. They're not direct fit, but
They don't really necessarily fit that way.
but who cares? We're just gonna put them on there superficially, guys. No, please don't start telling us that it's gonna affect the performance. It's not a speaker. It's a little tweeter.
Dude, these are
Do you think it'll affect the performance if we don't seal it up correctly?
These are literally gonna sound like.
Yo, what the?
Nah, bro, these suck. $12, dude.
No, they don't.
Turn off that key.
Yeah, they're gonna hate us for keeping it on.
Dude, this is gonna suck.
No, it's not.
Like, literally, it weighs nothing, guys.
I believe that these are gonna be really
I feel like
nice.
I'm holding a quarter. That's how heavy this is. A quarter.
Probably like a quarter, yeah.
It's gonna sound like those flea market phones.
Hey, can you pass me the strippers?
What?
The wire strippers. ¿Tú crees? Alright, so I'm gonna have to get it all the way from like
Dude,
the
what
22
is
gauge.
that?
Yo, it's not even. Oh, it is enough.
Like a line on my forehead.
Okay. We're starting the process. You're gonna record everything?
Yeah, everything.
You know how long this video is gonna be if we record everything?
Everything's being recorded right now as we speak.
Yo, I already ripped some wires.
As you guys can tell, this is not my Civic. You guys were fooled. I know you guys were, all right?
Yes, you did. Yes, you were. Don't say no, guys. Suspected, because I kind of saw something different. You didn't see nothing different.
This is an EX, as you can tell. And unfortunately, it's a nice EX, not gonna lie. It was really bad in here, but Dilly restored it to its full max capacity or potential. Not really. He still needs to do some stuff, but
just cleaning.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Oh yeah, and some cosmetics.
It is.
No!
Automatic, but it's really nice, dude. We put the engine on this thing.
Has a cassette player, and this works. Look, guys.
Yeah, that thing works. Wow.
No way.
Wow.
It works.
I don't even know if I'm showing it.
Oh.
Our head unit, guys, is a super ultra amazing head unit. You guys can see.
Pro Series.
Pro Series. This is actually
one of one.
One of one. Right here, you guys can see, like, if I want to cool it down faster.
How expensive was it, Dilly?
Dude, this thing was, oh my God. Look, if I want to cool it down, just take this panel off and it cools down.
No way. Hey, that was a new feature, right?
Yeah, new feature.
Yeah.
So, you know, this thing performs amazing.
So, guys, we for sure have enough power to power these guys up.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, like, don't worry, dude. Don't worry.
All this is gonna be added, eh? Okay, you better not cut nothing.
I'm not cutting nothing. Dude, they're gonna get so bored.
No, I had this in my Civic, guys. Dilly actually let me have it. He's like, here, use it on your Civic while you get one, because obviously, if you guys don't know, my Civic was stolen.
That was in 1977.
Yeah. They stole my head unit. I had nothing.
Shoot, we need some tape.
He gave me this. And yeah. And then I gave it back to him because I don't want that.
He didn't want the woman or?
No, I put it to the side. So Dylan over here is kind of rage quitting because the product is just too expensive to handle with. Let me actually go on that side. Look at this.
Yo, what was that?
Dude, oh my God.
Hey guys, so the tweeters are installed.
Dude, you're so white. Now I'm super white. Oh my God.
We're both the same color.
Focus on us. So it's not focused on the background. So our skin color goes down. No, it's still the same.
Who cares? It's fine. Oh yeah, the camera's all weird. All right.
Let's see. Oh.
Woo! All right.
Oh, what the hell? Hell no.
Woo! Okay. Oh, here comes the beat drop.
Put up more. Blow him up. Oh, you paused it.
No, the beat drop.
Oh, you restarted it.
Okay, so look, now we're gonna connect the actual speakers, guys, and we're gonna see what they sound like combined with the speakers in the front. We just wanted to dude, it's just too like hot in here.
Dude, these suck. These are so bad. Yo, they suck, dude. Oh, heck no. Dude, they're so bad.
Alright, we're gonna put the speakers in the front hooked up now. We disconnected all the speakers just so we can hear only these. Now we're gonna hook up the front ones and we're gonna see what it sounds like combined. So now we hooked up the front speakers and now you'll hear the song for what it is, but we're just gonna see what it sounds like when it has speakers and the things, okay?
I never see the lights on.
I can tell that it has the tweeters.
Fancy on a fast car. Things that make me feel just
go back to just the tweeter so that we can remind them what it sounds like.
Wait, it's not the same song. I'm gonna do the same song.
It's fine. It doesn't matter. Not like they can even understand it.
That one's Max one, dude.
That's Max? Well, guys, we just want to know what they sound like. We obviously know that you're not going to use tweeters for regular speakers, but we want to know how good these tweeters are just to themselves. Like, how much are they contributing?
Nothing. As you guys can hear, you can hear for yourself. Or
Obviously, they're making noise, but it's just a lot of treble. There's not much clarity and loudness. It's just pure, a lot of treble. Oh my God, that just hurts my ear. All right, I think that's enough. That's enough. Well, I think it's time that we rate these things, dude.
well, what are thoughts? Like, you gotta say your thoughts, then you give it.
All right, look. So the thoughts is this thing obviously these are not gonna have no bass. So let's not talk about bass. Bass is out the door of this. All right, but we're talking about sound and loudness. I'm sorry, clarity and loudness here. The loudness is loudness on the trebleness. There's a lot of clarity, nothing.
So you barely could understand what it's saying. Like if you put a song, just pure vocals, nothing, guys. It's literally like
You have to pay attention.
It's just like literally screeching sound. It just doesn't even sound good at all, guys. These suck. These were expensive for no reason. Where's the?
They were $12.
$12 for these
400 watts.
Metra dome tweeters.
These are just the Walmart brand, basically.
Walmart Universal. Yeah, these like I don't know. I don't know if there's a use for these. I don't think so. I don't think these are. I recommend this to no one.
Don't grab them.
It's just a waste of your time installing them. I mean, this is not hard to install them. It's just two wire, and that's it. But
Well, guys, there you have it. What are we rating out of from 0 to 10?
no, I want to make this video more longer. So let's keep this on.
That's too long.
I rated this like a 1, guys.
1.
Yeah, a 1.
We're getting this a 1.
So
Just letting you know that's how bad it is.
This is so bad. I'd rather just get some from like
Flea
Temu. Temu, get some from Temu.
Might as well.
They'll probably come back. They'll probably be better and cheaper.
They might. Cheaper for sure.
But
Oh.
yeah, I don't know what the application would these be for because they just suck. Oh man, it's getting really hot in here, guys.
So we're gonna end the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This cheap, sucky tweeters. We said we'd do tweeters, and we did. This is my sister's future car, so we're doing it in her car, and she has an EX model, so it has the tweeters. And Dilla's
doesn't have tweeters. We haven't checked if it has the harness. Maybe it does have it there.
My God, take this key out, guys. Let's show you guys how they're built.
So look at this thing. I mean, it has a lot of copper. This thing.
Wow, look at that,
dude. I literally there was tape on this side, right? Because we used the double-sided sticky tape. I pulled it off and it pulled this off. I was like, yo.
So quality control on this is really great.
And then I just wiggled this thing out, like.
Yeah, guys, that's how they're built. So there you have it. That is essentially what you're buying with this. So guys, don't grab them. Don't waste your time. Look at that. Oh goodness.
Oh my God.